If you're experiencing billing issues with your Netflix account, follow these steps to resolve them efficiently. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems related to your subscription. Step 1. Check your payment method. Log into your Netflix account and navigate to the Accounts section. Review the payment method listed to ensure it is current and valid. If the card has expired or there are insufficient funds, update your payment information. Step 2. Review billing history. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Contact your bank. If your payment method is valid but Netflix is still unable to process your payment, contact your bank or credit card company. There may be restrictions or holds on your account that are preventing the transaction from going through. Step 4. Update your payment information. If you need to change your payment method, go back to the Account section and select Update Payment Information. Enter your new payment details and save the changes. Make sure to confirm that the new information is accepted. Step 5. Reach out to Netflix support. If the problem persists after following the previous steps, contact Netflix customer support. You can do this through the Help Center on their website or via the app. Provide them with details of your issue for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing problems you encounter on Netflix. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.